Hi guys, welcome to my channel Food Gossips. In this video, I'm going to make very refreshing restaurant style mint margarita. It will not only just taste like restaurants mint margarita, but its presentation will also be exactly like restaurants. So before starting the video, I would request you to go down and subscribe to my channel Food Gossips. For ingredients, we need mint yani podina, black salt 2 pinches, white salt 2 pinches, lemon juice of 1 lemon, sugar 1 tablespoon, ice, soda, Sprite or 7 Up, whatever you have. And that's it. Now we will take blender, a blending jug, and we will add some ice in it, lemon juice, white salt, almost 2 pinches, black salt, 2 pinches, sugar, 1 tablespoon, mint, and Sprite. Now we will blend it for almost 30 to 40 seconds. Our mint margarita is ready. Now I will decorate glass to make it look attractive exactly like restaurants mint margarita. For that I will use lemon और उसको मैं apply कर दूंगी glass की edges पे just like this and glass को upside down करके हम sugar में dip कर देंगे as you can see in video. Look how beautiful it is looking. अभी से ये restaurant की look दे रहा है but still we need to decorate it more. Now we will pour mixture into the glass. And to make it look more attractive, we will decorate it with mint and lemon slice and a straw. And there you go, our refreshing mint margarita is completely ready. Thank you for watching my video.